Hello, my name is Charlene Tan, Marketing Manager at Beecroft Animal Specialist and Emergency Hospital. The Emergency and Critical Care Department is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Beecroft is a specialist-owned hospital that provides advanced veterinary care through referrals from primary care practitioners. It is our mission to provide you the best specialist and emergency services to our referring vet clinics, vets, pets, and owners. Let me bring you on a tour. Our team of specialist expertise encompasses the fields of surgery, internal medicine, and exotic companion mammals. Our Birds and Exotics department provides medical and surgical care with a dedicated waiting area for birds, rabbits, small rodents like guinea pigs and hamsters, amphibians, fishes, and reptiles. We offer emergency and referral services as well as specialty care, and we are the premier referral service for birds and exotic pets in Singapore. We see mobility as an integral part of everyday movement, and our care extends beyond medical and surgical treatments. At our veterinary rehabilitation and hydrotherapy department, our rehab veterinarian and therapist are certified to perform physiotherapy and hydrotherapy for pets such as dogs, cats, rabbits, and guinea pigs. Additionally, we have an animal nutrition expert who is also available for online consultation. Beecroft's Emergency and Critical Care Department is fully equipped for round-the-clock patient care and veterinary services. For example, patients with emergencies may need surgery or state-of-the-art equipment to stabilize them. Patients who have undergone complex surgeries may also require critical care monitoring. Beecroft offers referral services for internal medicine, oncology, cardiology, and outpatient imaging. In addition to inpatient imaging, we also provide outpatient services for ultrasound, scoping, and CT scan. Utilizing advanced diagnostic, medical, and surgical equipment, our surgical and internal medicine specialists work together to deliver individualized care for your clients and their pets. I hope you enjoyed our tour. We continue to improve our services, and we remain dedicated to bringing you the best patient outcome for you and your clients. From all of us at Beecroft, thank you for your continued support.